Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hare Guruvayurappa Sharanam. Dashaka 68 of Narayaniyam is Gopi's happiness in Bhagavan's reappearance. Srimad Bhagavatam Dashama chapter 32 is condensed in the Dasakam 68. As seen in Dasaga 67, Bhagavan vanished, wanting to hear the pride of Gopikas, and Gopikas started lamenting on the sudden disappearance of Bhagavan. Krishna would not prolong the agony any further. Actually, he was there only watching the game. He had gone behind a veil drawn by Mahamaya, and now, as the dazzling sun comes out from behind a cloud, he came out in full glory with outstretched arms towards Gopikas. Seeing Bhagavan, the Gopikas were overwhelmed with joy and stood motionless before Bhagavan, feeling as if they had been drenched by a downpour of nectar. Their joy was boundless, and they could not express themselves by words. Let us now experience this gladness of Gopikas through Sri Bhattacharya's Narayaniyam verses only. Tava viloganaat Krishna Gopika jana Pramada samgula Krishna pangaje kshana Amrita dharaya Krishna sampluta iva Sthimita dam dadu Krishna tvat purogada. O lotus-eyed one, as the Gopikas saw thee and approached thee, they were overcome with joy. They stood stupefied and motionless, as if drenched in a downpour of immortal bliss, seeing thee in front of them. Tadanu kachana Krishna tvatkarambujam Sabadi grinnadi Krishna nirvishangidam Khanapayodhare Krishna sannithayasa Pulaga samrida Krishna tastushi chiram. After that, Hare Krishna, one woman suddenly took hold of thy lotus hand and without hesitation placed it on her heavy breasts. She stood like that for a long time with all hair standing on end, that is Pulaga Samvrita. Tava vibho para Krishna komalam bhujam Nijagalandare Krishna paryaveshtayat Galasamudgadam Krishna pranamarudam Pradunirundadiva Krishna adiharshula. Another woman, extremely overjoyed, Hare Krishna, wound thy tender arms around her own neck as if stopping the vital breath coming out of her throat. Abhagadatraba Krishna kavikamini Tavamugambujal Krishna pugacharvidam Pradigrihayatat Krishna vaktrapangaje Nidadadi gada Krishna purnakamadam. One woman devoid of all shame from thy lotus-like mouth, taking the chewed betel, put it into her lotus-like mouth. Hare Krishna, doing so, she attained the summit of fulfillment of all desires. Vikaruno vane Krishna samvihaya mam Abhagadosika Krishna tvamiha spriched Idi saroshaya Krishna tavadegaya सजललोचनं कृष्णावीक्षितो भवान्. Whoever of us here will ever touch thee, who mercilessly abandoned us in the forest? One of them resentfully said so, Krishna, as she looked at thee with tearful eyes. इति मुदाकुलै कृष्णावल्लवीजनैः सममुपागतो कृष्णायामुने तडे मृदुकुजाम्बरैः कृष्णाकल्पितासने गृसृणभासुरे कृष्णापर्यशोभताः. In this manner, Hare Krishna, you went to the banks of the river Yamuna with Gopikas who were overwhelmed with joy. The Gopikas prepared a seat with their saffron-tainted upper clothes on which you sat with all splendor and shining with glory. कदिविदा कृपा कृष्णा केऽपि सर्वदो धृतदयोदया कृष्णा केचिदाश्रिते कदिचिदीदृशा कृष्णा मादृशेष्ववीति अभिहितो भवान् कृष्णा वल्लवीजनैः. Krishna, the Gopikas told thee there are so many varieties of compassion. Some people have compassion for everyone. Some have compassion for their dependents. Yet, some are such that they do not have compassion even towards those who have given up everything and fully surrendered like us. अयि कुमारिका राधे नैव शङ्क्यतां कठिनदामयी राधे प्रेमकादरे मयि तु चेदसो राधे वोनुवृत्तये कृतमिदं मया राधे तीव्जीवान् भवान्. Though told them, "Oh dear girls, do not at all suspect me to be hard-hearted. I am afraid of losing your love. I did this," that is the disappearing, "so that your minds may be continuously fixed in me." अयि निशम्यतां राधे जीववल्लभाः प्रियतमो जनो राधे नेदृशो मम तदिह रम्यतां राधे रम्ययामिनीषु अनुपरोधम् इति राधे आलपो विभो. Oh, most dear ones, please listen to me. Take it from me that there is none as dear to me as you. Therefore, here on the banks of Yamuna in the beautiful nights, sport with me without any hindrance. Thus, Hare, you told the Gopikas. इति गिराधिकं कृष्णा मोदमेदुरैः व्रजवधूजनैः कृष्णा सागमारमन् कलितकौतुको कृष्णा रासखेलने गुरुपुरीपदे कृष्णा पाहि मां गदाद् गुरुपुरीपदे कृष्णा पाहि मां गदाद् गुरुपुरीपदे कृष्णा पाहि मां गदाद्. Thus, with such declaration, the Gopikas were even more full of intense joy. Though then sporting with them, full of enthusiasm, engaged in Rasa Leela. "Oh Guruvayurappa, save me from my ailments." With this, the Saga 68, the gladness of Gopikas on reappearance of Bhagavan, has been completed. Now we will listen to Sati Suresh's bhajan song.
श्रुतकमलाकुचमण्डल धृतकुण्डल कलितललितवनमाला कृष्णा जय जय देव हरे हरे कृष्णा जय जय देव हरे कालिय विषधर गञ्जन जन रञ्जन यदुकुल नलिन दिनेश कृष्णा जय जय देव हरे हरे कृष्णा जय जय देव हरे मधुमुरनरक विनाशन गरुडासन सुरकुल केळि निधान कृष्णा जय जय देव हरे हरे कृष्णा जय जय देव हरे